Hello everyone. Let us solve question number 326 power of 3 today. Okay. So in this question we are given an integer, for example say 9, and we have to return whether it is a power of 3 or not. So 9 can be represented as 3 to the power 2. So this is we will return true. Similarly, if we are given say 15, we cannot represent this as power of power of 3. So we will return false. Okay, so let's see a couple of solutions for this problem. I'll also show you a solution which can be extended to other prime numbers. So for example, 3, 5, 7, 2, 11 and so on. Okay, so we'll see that as well. Let's see a basic solution first. So if n is less than 1, then it cannot be power of 3, so we'll return false. Okay, and what we'll do is we will keep dividing n until it is divisible by 3. Okay, and yeah, let's divide it by 3. Keep dividing it until it is divisible by 3, and in the end we will check if n is equals to 1, because it will stop at 1 if it is the power of 3. If it is if n is equal to 1, then what we can do is we can return true, otherwise we will return false. Okay, so let's see how this example works. Okay, this solution works. So suppose we are given 15. So 15 initially is divided by 3, so it will come over here and it will become n by 3, that is it will become 5. Now since 5 is not divisible by 3, it will exit this loop and we will get n. We will check this condition if n equals to 1, but n is equals to 5, so this will return false. Now let's take n equals to 9. Then we can say that n is divisible by 3 initially, so it will enter this loop and it will make n equals to 3. Okay, this n will become 3. Okay, after this 3 is still divisible by 3, so it will again enter the loop and it will become n equals to 1. Okay, now n is not divisible by 3 anymore, so it will come over here. It will check whether n is equals to 1. Yes, it is equals to 1, so the solution will return true. Okay, let's see this in action. So it is working. Let's check for 15. Yes, for 15 also it is working. Let's check for 27. Say, so it is working. Let's submit the code. I have already tried a few submissions and tried few different things. So as you can see, this is working. Okay, this is a 100% solution. So let's see another solution, how we can solve this. Okay, so in this solution what we will do is we will take the power, since if you see in the problem description, what we will do is we will take the greatest number which is divisible, which is the power of 3. Okay, in between this 2 to the power 31 minus 1, we will take the greatest such value. Okay, for example, let's copy this. So 2 to the power 31, 2 to the power 31, and the greatest n which is power of 3 and which is in this range is 3 to the power 19. I have pre-calculated this value. Okay, so now since n3 is a prime number, we can say that this 3 to the power 19 is only divisible by values such as 3 to the power 0 to 3 to the power 19, correct? So if we get any n which is able to successfully divide this 3 to the power 19, then we can say that it is power of 3. Okay, let me tell you once again. Since 3 is a prime number, then 3 to the power is only divisible by values from 3 to the power 0 to 3 to the power 19. Okay, so if we are able to divide 3 to the power 19 by this n, then we can say that this is n is our solution and we should return true. Okay, similarly we can extend this solution to other prime numbers. So suppose we are given we have to find 5, power of 5. So what we can do is we can do similar things. We can find the greatest value of 5 to the power which is in this range. So for example, it is 5 to the power 14. Okay, this is just an example. I am not sure whether this is the correct value, and if we will take the n and try to divide this 5 to the power 14 with this. Okay, so we will be trying to divide 5 to the power 14 with the given n, and if it is able to divide it, then we will say that okay, this is our solution. So let's try this solution. So we will return math.power 3 to the power 19. So you can get the value of 3 to the power 19 from Google. So 3 to the power 19 is how much? Yeah, so this is the value. We can take this. So if 3 to the power 19 is divisible by n, okay, is it divisible by n? If it is divisible, then it will return true, because this mod will become, this will give 0, otherwise it will return false. So let's see if this code works. Yes, it is getting accepted. Let's submit it. Yes, so this is also getting submitted. So this is how you can solve this problem. Okay, and you can extend the second solution to any power of prime number. So it will work for power of 2, power of 5, power of 3, power of 7, and so on and so forth. Okay, thank you for watching.